Hey Mel, James here from 123 Online. This is a quick video to show you how to set up your product variations. So what we've done is we've moved the cart over to the right. It's not fully down the bottom right, and there's a reason for that, which I'll show you shortly. But every new product that you add now has an Add to Cart button on desktop and mobile, which is great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through modifying your products so that you can have different options on the product. So for example, on a candy floss machine, you might want to offer the option of supplying it with the candy floss sugar and sticks in a different amount of servings. So what I'll do in this video is give you the basic tools on how to do this, and then you can configure it in a way that suits you. So what we'll do is we'll head into the dashboard. I'm just going to go to your product section and I'm going to add a new product. You can do this on an existing product, but I don't want to modify your existing product, so I'm just going to add an example product. So you've got the price here. I'm just going to pop in 100 and I'm just going to just publish this for now. And we'll go ahead and view the product. So you've got your add to cart button there. Now this is the reason why your floating cart's not right down the bottom, because you have this Google Capture anti-spam set up on your site. So we don't want that to overlap. So that's why your cart's up there. So we've got the add to cart button, we've got the price. What we want to do is offer options. So if we go, let's just pretend this is the candy floss machine. What we want to do is in the product settings, you want to go to attributes and you want to add a custom attribute. So click add. So for this, we're going to add sugar and sticks. So we're going to call this sugar and sticks. And the options that we want, we're going to do 50 servings. Oops. And we want to separate them with this character here. So I'm just going to guess, let's do 100 servings. So you can create as many as you like. So we're just going to do, I'm going to go up in 50s. So we can offer 50 servings, 100, 150 or 200. So we want to save the attributes. So now what we have is the sugar sticks attribute, and this is not going to do a lot at this stage. If we update this and just go to the product page, just give it a refresh, what you'll notice now is there's an additional information tab, and you can click on that and it's just got sugar sticks, blah 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 blah. It doesn't actually do anything. They can't choose the serving sizes or anything, so what we'll do is we'll just make that available now. So now that we've added the servings of sugar and sticks as attributes, what we can do is change this from a simple product to a variable product. And then what that does is it takes the price away from the general tab. So if we go back to simple, you notice the price is 100. If we go back to variable, it takes the price away. And that's because you can set different prices depending on the servings. So if we go now to attributes, we have, now that we've made it a variable product, you've got this tick box used for variations. So you want to tick that, choose save attributes. And now we can click on variations. So we can add these manually, or we can create them from the attributes, which is what we want to do. So we can choose create variations from all attributes and hit go. Press OK. 4 variations added, that's great. So now we have 50 servings, 100, 150. So now we can click on each of these, and we can add, you can add all sorts of settings for these, because technically it's like a pseudo product in a sense. So they can have stock levels and things like that, but the only thing that's required is the price. So for example, the base price was 100, so maybe 50 servings is, since it's what, $15, this would be make the product $115 if they would choose 50 servings. So that's done, and then we'll do 130 on the 100 servings, and then on the 150 servings we'll do 145, and for 200 servings we'll do 160. So we'll save those changes and update the product, and then I'll just head over to the product page, give that a refresh. So instead of displaying the base price now, what you need to do is choose an option for sugar and sticks. So the price for the product is no longer just $100, it ranges from $115 to $160. If you wanted to offer this without any servings, you can just do a 0 servings option, and that can be 100. But now what the customer can do is choose sugar and sticks 50 servings, and then it's going to give them the price. They can do 100 servings, it's going to give them the price 150, etc. So now you've got product variations set up so you can offer different options, and you can amalgamate these with all sorts of other options and pricing structures. It can get a little bit complicated, but this is the basics of how to set it up. And then they simply add that to their cart, and away you go. Now you've got this in your cart, you've got the 150 servings, that would say candy floss machine, blah blah blah. Just quickly before we go, if you go to, what you can do is you can go to, under products, you can go to attributes, and this is essentially where you can add your own attributes and things in here, but we just added it on the product, which is fine. So that's basically how you do it. Just go back to all products, and I'll just remove this example product for you. What I'll do is I'll just put it in draft, just in case you want to have a look at it, but putting it in draft will mean that it's not available to view on your website. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any other queries, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching.